welcome back. And now me and Joe got a review. Okay, we got some colors here. Which bag's which?
Mine.
This is yours. Here. What? Okay, you want to go first or can I?
Sure, I'll go first.
Okay. Cool.
So, what car is this?
Stop. It says right here, fast and crash. Fast crash.
Fast
So yeah,
crash.
show them the car.
That's
Fast
the car.
crash.
So, Logan, show yours while I open it.
Okay, mine is the Lamborghini Countach. It's pretty fat, but the Aventadors and Huracans.
Ooh, looks way better out of the package.
Everything does.
This is my car.
Dang, that's nice. That thing is beautiful. There. Okay, here. Sit down right there. Okay.
So my next car
I got
is.
Countach. Yeah, it's
So
Countach.
my next car is
Awesome car. Here, put your garbage in the bag. Back in the bag.
My next car is the Soul Muscular. Muscle.
Yeah, solid muscle. So show them this thing looks awesome.
That's insane. That you lit.
Okay, my next one is the 17 Peggy Hydra Roadster. I don't know, it looks really cool. It kind of looks like a push spider. I don't know, spider.
If you're a Hot Wheels fan, give this a thumbs up. Right?
I don't know, sure.
Oh!
Oh my god, that thing, it feels and looks so cool. Oh my
And
god.
the best part of all,
It's like matte. Okay, here's mine.
this one's the one that ripped me off. This was the
How
one
did it rip you off?
someone half opened it.
June, that's not ripping you off. A lot of them.
So this is called the Ripper.
No. It's called the Dodge Viper STR10.
This is the Viper.
Hold on. It's the 50th year anniversary Hot Wheel. 50th year.
It's the Viper. Come on, Viper!
My next one is my favorite, a soccer car. It is called, it's the MR11, but it's a soccer car. So you got soccer balls right there.
Oh,
This package is hard to open, home.
that
It took me a
is
while.
cool.
Let me see.
That is awesome.
That thing is awesome.
So these are my cars.
Yeah, I got the Countach and this is gonna take me a while. Come on. There we go. Ooh. Okay, so there's the soccer 11. And you got soccer balls on the side. Yellow and green. There. Is that it for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, she got
What cars did I get? The Viper?
yeah, so you got the Viper, I forgot the name. Yeah. But I got 5. Okay. My
The
next
Solid
one, I got
Viper.
4.
Solid and Viper.
This is my last one, the Match scheme. This thing looks
Push
awesome.
my cars out of the way.
Yeah. What you gonna do about it?
And no, we are not twins.
No, why would we be twins? Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Do I got that 4?
Shout out to the Doughboy twins.
No, shush. Okay,
Shout out.
You put all the garbage into this bag, including your bag.
Yes, sir.
Don't put your cars in there.
Of course not.
Okay, so now we're gonna set up the track and race them. Just the new ones, okay?
Okay. Shut it. Stop it. Stop it.
Can't stop
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Wait, we have the minigun.
Oh my god. So yeah, this is our track. Got launcher right there.
Hi, buddy.
And then it's gonna go, hit that turn,
I'm Simpson.
hit the other turn, and boom.
I'm Bart Simpson.
No, you're not. Hey.
I am Putty.
Here, look, one part.
Is it glow in the dark? Let's check. 1, 2, 3.
No, it needs more light. One putty bump. Okay, so can you grab the cars? Here, do you want? Do you?
I want my cars.
Here, hon. Since you started introducing them first, I get to race mine first. All of mine first. Yeah. Okay, first is the Lamborghini Countach.
So are they
3,
all-
2, 1, go! Whoa!
Too much.
Can I have it back? I need to set it lower.
I think 3.
Can I have the car back?
I think 3 is good. Try 3.
Okay, I set it on something else. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Okay, yep. Lamborghini Countach. Yeah. Because it's used to going super fast, so tunes aren't really its style. Okay. Next is soccer car. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Try again.
What the heck?
Try again.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Ooh. Why 4? 3, go.
That was weird.
Yeah, try 4. Now let's try 5. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next. Second to last. Go.
Ooh.
Pretty good speed. And my last one. This guy.
The poop.
What the?
Let's knock down.
Did it? Oh, it got knocked down? 3, 2, 1. What the?
Nothing's wrong.
Okay, it's because of the spoiler. I guess the turns aren't good with some of these cars. Well, guess it's coming. Look. That part's really
Try it
annoying.
more.
Again, it's this
Okay,
cheap
come
one
on.
that I got at Ross. So, what do you expect? And then, see, just
Right.
got stuck.
So let's try.
Here, let's change out the track. Okay, now we're gonna see how fast these cars can really go. So we'll be starting with mine all the way down here. Okay, Lamborghini Countach. Countach. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Yeah, maybe not 5.
I'm just going.
No, don't have it by your mouth. You're eating it, aren't you?
And
Still.
I'm tricky.
Okay. Go. Nice.
What
Did it go under?
I
Next
need
is the
your
soccer one. Watch
flashlight.
out, watch out. Go. Oh no.
We need
This is a bad setup. Who cares?
I usually
Three,
only-
two, one. Last one. Go. Let's go find them. You ready to find them?
Yeah.
I think I'm. Here, I already got one. Here, 1,
Oh,
2. Oh God. She's got the Viper. Go. That was slow, so she's gonna put F4. Go. Nice.
Try 3
Okay,
for this.
next is no, put F4. This is a fat one. Go. I guess she wants me to put him there.
This one's at 5.
Oh God. It's the big truck. Ooh. Let's put F4. Okay, yeah, put it F4.
Okay, it's at 4.
Go. Dang. Let me try.
Oh.
Go. Oh. I guess it's just not good racing truck.
Let's try 3.
Okay.
Okay,
Go.
Ready?
Adios.